Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Asksally token. This token is trending number 12 right now in the base section on Dex Screener. Very popular token, huge market cap, huge 24-hour trading volume. Ticker symbol is A1C. We're going to go over the information on the Asksally token and talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So I'm going to put their Twitter up right in the corner of the screen here at Asksally_A1C. And this is automated by Asksally Terminal. So this is an AI agent Twitter. 3,057 posts, blue verified check mark, 1,887 followers. Has the contract address right there. It says, meet Sally, the first metabolic health artificial intelligence agent, and then it has a link to creator bid, and then their webpage is linked on there as well, asksally.xyz. So if you want to get this token here, it's real easy to find the contract address right there on this Twitter. So first of all, you would need a wallet that could store base tokens. So you could use a Coinbase wallet, would be fitting, but you could also use a Trust wallet or a MetaMask wallet. You could download any one of those wallets from the Google Play Store, the Apple App Store, or get a Chrome extension on your PC. You would then fund your wallet with ETH and then bridge it to Base, or you could fund your wallet directly with Base from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links that you could use down there in the description box. So you'd fund your wallet with Base, you'd go into the dApps, you would find Uniswap, and then using the contract address, you could find right there on their Twitter, you would trade your base for this token. Now, as far as taxes goes, it says there is a 0% buy tax, so you won't have to worry about slippage for buying this token. But it does say there is a 3% sell tax, so you will have to set your slippage around 3% if you're wanting to sell this token. Now, this token has a huge market cap. Right now it just went up to $92 million market cap right now. Fully diluted valuation is $185.2 million. Just today, they have a 24-hour trading volume of $4.4 million. Token price is about $8.87 per token right now. They have $1.7 million worth of liquidity in Uniswap, and according to Dex Screener, 99.95% of that total liquidity is locked and burned. Now, their webpage has a document section. You can connect your wallet, all sorts of stuff here. So they have specialties, experience, roadmap, early access, documents, smart health management in your pocket is the tagline. So it says chronic diseases like diabetes, obesity, metabolic syndrome are rising globally, often due to lifestyle imbalances and fragmented healthcare systems. Asksally A1C aims to bridge this gap as a Web3 integrated metabolic health co-pilot, combining AI-driven insights, crypto community as a primary distribution means, and personalized holistic health management to empower users to prevent, manage, and reverse chronic conditions. By leveraging conversational AI, real-time health data integration, and evidence-based functional medicine principles, Sally A1C acts as a 24/7 health companion, answering questions, analyzing medical records, and offering actionable recommendations to build sustainable, healthy habits. Now, their mission and vision. Their vision is to democratize access to personalized, proactive healthcare by combining 3 distinctive fields from functional medicine, AI, and crypto. Their mission, number 1, is to prevent and manage chronic disease, focus on metabolic health markers to reduce risks of diabetes, heart disease, and obesity. Number 2, empower healthy choices, deliver hyper-personalized lifestyle, nutrition, and mental health guidance via intuitive interfaces. And number 3, bridge Web 2 and Web 3, integrate seamlessly with everyday platforms like WhatsApp, Telegram, Apple Health, while rewarding users for proactive health management through the A1C token ecosystem. Some of the key features: AI-powered health companion. Asksally AI is an evidence-based answers to health questions backed by curated research papers and clinical studies. Medical document analysis, so upload PDFs, lab reports, or EKGs for AI-driven insights. We have personalized recommendations, so tailored nutrition, exercise, and stress management plans based on health metrics. Wellness terminal interface, so functional medicine focus, holistic health tracking across nutrition, sleep, exercise, and mental health. Wallet integration, so verify A1C token holdings to unlock premium features. Proactive health alerts, monitor trends in user-provided data, and send reminders for medication, hydration, and exercise via WhatsApp and Telegram. They have integration goals, so cross-platform accessibility. APIs for WhatsApp, Telegram, and X enable real-time interaction. Apple Health Kit Sync, aggregate wearable data. Security and compliance, AI ethics, guardrails to prevent overdiagnosis or replacement of professional health care. And then they have a roadmap, starts with the core product, then the feature rollout, testing and compliance, public launch, and expansion. They also have a Telegram, if you want to follow that, is at Sally A1C, 1,738 members, over 500 of them are online. That's going to be a great place to discuss the project. You can find all the info at asksally.xyz. You can find updates on the Twitter in the corner of the screen. And you can find the chart on DEX Tools and DEX Screener. And you can also find this token on BaseScan. So go check it out. Let me know in the comments, what do you guys think about the Sally token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos, where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.